Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of like a happy mail day, and you're probably wondering why I'm going to show you this, and I'll explain in a minute. So I have been working closely with Ohuhu for like the last 2 years, but this last year especially, I've been doing a ton of work with them. And the thing is, they sent me a little thank you package for working with them for the year. But the reason I want to show you this is Ohuhu is actually one of the very few brands that I have ever worked with who honor my honest opinion. Like, they literally have sent me prototypes to test that you have not seen on my channel because they're prototypes and they wanted my advice. They've actually taken, like when I do reviews and I've shown them to you guys, they actually listen to me, and they never cut me out because I might not like one of their products. They have always been really good about knowing I'm honest up front, and that's what I really like about this company. So I was really touched when they reached out and said, hey, can we send you an end of the year thank you gift for all the work you have done to help promote their products, review their products. And I've never been influenced by them whatsoever, even though I have actually a huge stack over there of stuff I need to review of theirs. They've always been patient. They never rush me because they know I take my time. And this just kind of goes to prove that this is a company that actually cares, not just like throwing things at people and saying, be an affiliate, promote my stuff, here's some freebies. They want to know actual opinions, and then they value the people who help promote their brand because they are competing against bigger brands. Like with their markers, they compete against Copic and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool because they sent me this little thing here, and I'm going to show it to you. I haven't even opened it myself. I just pulled it out of the box. I didn't realize it was going to come so quickly. But can we talk about this box, though? Like, I can't throw this out. This is adorable. So I don't even know what's in here. But yeah, it's like a little happy mail thank you. And no, I'm not showing this to brag, so please don't jump in the comments there. I kind of want to show you how appreciative and giving this company is. Because like I said, I have tons of stuff they have sent and I haven't finished reviewing or even started. And they have never, ever punished me or penalized me when I have actually reviewed a product and said it's not worth it. Like those new markers they came out with that they were trying to compete with the Copic nib. I was like, they're all right. And you know what? They were fine with that. So it's a good company. Now, that's a really long intro, but I had to throw that out there. Okay, so let's check this out. Oh my gosh, what on earth? There's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, what's it? Oh, yep, so I get a little thank you card. Let me make sure there's nothing. So it just says kind of, I'll give you a summary. Thank you for working with them throughout 2025. It's been a highlight to have you on the team. And this is a small token of their immense gratitude, and they curated a special collection of their newest products just for me. And they hope they'll bring me joy and help fuel my next masterpiece. Oh, it's actually like literally addressed to me too. That's really sweet. Okay, so where do I start? Let's go here. Oh, what is this? I might need to zoom out more. Hang on a sec. All right, let's see. Ooh, a canvas bag. My daughter's gonna steal this. I already know it. But I got a nice big canvas bag. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. Oh, look at this wax seal. Ohuhu is our beloved mascot and color master. Let's see. What's in here? I think this is just their their frog mascot. But are these like little stickers? Yes, I got a bunch of little Ohuhu stickers. And then that little guy. That's cute. I'll probably zoom you guys back in a minute. Ooh. I think these are stencils. They gotta be stencils because they're pretty stiff. Let's see. There's just so much. I'm like, where do I start? Okay, what's this? 2026. Now, like I said, I don't partner with brands unless I actually believe in the brands. You guys know me. I have no problem telling you if something's bad. Ooh, it's a calendar. Oh, that must be what this is for. Oh, yeah. it sits on the calendar. How cool is that? Oh, so it's one for every month. Oh, that is cute. Okay, I'm gonna have to like that. Like that. Like I said, so many goodies. I'm gonna just toss the packaging off to the side. Okay, what do we have? Oh, these are clippies. I know that's not the right term, but I like to call them clippies. Clippies for like my pages. I could use that to hold back coloring book pages. We've got another clippy with the Ohuhu guy. Oh, that's cute. All right, what do we got down here? Got our little Ohuhu guy, but oh, more page. So this is a magnet. So we got a little magnet here. And then you can actually use these as well. They're paper clips, but you could use these to hold your coloring pages back too. Since I do adult coloring. Oh wait, there's more in there. There's another one. Oh, that's really cute. I'm gonna have a pile of packaging. Where to go? All right, let's see. The Ohuhu nib family. I have reviewed quite a few of these, so we know all about that. We've got some stuff in here that kind of explains that. Ohuhu dual tip colored fine liner. You know what? I've actually never used their fine liners. They have sent me like every product they own. But again, these are some of these are newer products. Oh. See, dual tips, fade resistant, smooth lines. Say what? All right, let's just pull one out here. Oh. So we got the fine liner and a calligraphy brush nib side. I'm gonna have to play with these. Let me know if you want to see any of these like swatched and played with in a live stream. You know I love using my live stream time for swatching because it just makes it easier. Outline markers. 18 shimmering. Oh, you had me at glitter. You had me at glitter. Oh, okay. So they used to sell these glitter markers in a different, like a square pack, but I wonder, it looks like they've changed the formula a bit. But yeah, it's like, do they still have the pump? Yep, so it still has the pump, but it's a glitter marker. They call them the outline markers, but I use these in my adult coloring books as well. I'm gonna have to like swatch and play with those. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Oh, the new markers. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. One thing at a time. Pace myself. Okay, so these are the Honolulu S. I actually, if you aren't familiar, so it is the brush and soft chisel. Soft chisel because that's the new line they are working on. Honolulu Plus is the one that's kind of like the Copic, so they have the Supreme one. But this is the new line of soft chisel. I actually have two that they already sent me. So this is the 12 count. Ooh, actually this is really good that they sent me this 12 count in here because they had sent me the 48 and a 24 count. And some of the colors I needed or I would have been missing to complete everything that's out for S was in this 12 count pack. So yay, now I have complete. Okay. All right, what else? Okay, we've got the, oh, I don't want to butcher that, acrylic markers, brush tip. You know what? I have a couple of these already to review, so I'm kind of curious if these are going to be like the ones I already have in a pile. Like I said, they sent me, because she had reached out to me, my contact there, and she's like, hey, do you want to review our acrylic markers? And I said, sure. And I thought I'd get like one little package. I got like a whole box of them. I think I showed it on a haul because I was like, whoa. All right, so we have the back there. I think this is probably the best way to open it. I have a nasty paper cut from packing orders on my one finger. Oh, look, a swatch chart built into the lid. I like that. Oh, okay. check it, guys. Check this. I don't know if these, yeah, these are new. Like, because like I said, they did say these are new products. So these aren't like the ones I have over there to review. But check these out. So it stands upright, and then your swatch chart is right there. And oh my gosh, they have the color like code on them, so you don't have to guess. I'm like, I just want to see. Okay, Y43. Where are you? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You don't have to pump or prime them. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with those later. That is so cool. Okay. The Nahuku. I could totally say that if I could speak. All right, this is also brush. Let's see. I don't want to ruin the little sleeve because I might end up reviewing these later. The cases they give, like with these acrylics and some of their other products, are just amazing. Oh, I really like these. Direct ink. Okay. Oh, I like that. So yeah, this doesn't mean you have to prime them like the old school acrylics, you know, Posca. And Arctics had, you know, sent me some of these to test out. Oh my gosh, they did not. They did. They gave you a black and a white swatch sheet. That is stellar. And they are, so this would be like a direct competitor of that Arctics one. The one that Arctics actually just discontinued that was exactly like this. Yep. With the brush nib and the ink levels, they just discontinued it and swapped to the new style they have. But look at that. I might have to swatch these live. I'll see if these are live on Amazon yet, because like I said, some of these are new. Oh, I will have to let them know a couple of these. No, it didn't leak. It just looks like it started to come up here. But you don't have to prime them. So these would be kind of fun to play with in a live stream. But yeah, like, so Arctics switched to the other ones. I did a live stream, and they got rid of the ones like this, where you could, like, see your actual ink line. And I was like, why did you guys get rid of that? Okay. Last but not least, acrylic colors. Okay, so these are for the acrylics. I've got 2 sets of acrylics to play with. All right, there's no easy way to do this. I thought there was. There isn't. Oh my gosh, this paper is perfect. It's thick. You could totally do the markers on these and pencil. It's a little toothier though, so it definitely would work better with acrylics. And then layering and just coloring with the acrylics. Oh, and they're all Christmas themed. How cute. Oh my gosh. And then we got some blank pages. Okay. Wow. That is a lot. That is a lot. So thank you to Ohuhu for not only like constantly sending me stuff to try, and then like honestly listening to my feedback and not penalizing me for being honest, because there are a lot of manufacturers I have worked with who, after I was honest in a review, never heard from again. So the fact that Ohuhu is like, nope, you be honest, girl, you do you, is like totally, I love it. It just shows their integrity for their products. And no, I'm not fluffing them up at all. I am being honest. I really appreciate the fact that they appreciate honesty. They want honest reviews. So like, this is just freaking unreal. Like, look at all this stuff. I'm like trying to put it back in here for photos later. And I'm like, well, we'll just clip that there and that there. And there's more somewhere around here, but that is really cool. So I'll probably play with some of these. I do have acrylic markers also sitting on standby, so I really need to get to that. I have so much to stream, but let me know if you're curious about any of these, and I'll definitely do a video or a live stream with them very soon. But yeah, thank you, Ohuhu, for sending this. It was really sweet and thoughtful, and I honestly thought I was just going to get like a little box with like some goodies, not like tons of goodies. So this is going to be really fun. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me for a little Happy Mail unboxing and previewing some new products. And yeah, let me know if you want to see me play with anything. Also, I did get a request actually. Someone asked me how to color with strictly alcohol or acrylic markers instead of, you know, using them as accents. So maybe that's what we'll do come Christmas time, like use one of these pages and do that, and we can compare like the Ohuhu and other brands or something. But that'll be fun. But yeah, tons of goodies to play with. So thank you, Ohuhu, for sending me this happy mail. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.